Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Corner. My name is Okpe. In this lesson, our topic of discussion will be regular and irregular plural nouns. Regular and irregular plural nouns. I believe that you still remember that a noun is a name. It names people, places, things, ideas, concepts, festivals, etc. A singular noun refers to one idea, one thing, one person, one place, etc. A plural noun refers to more than one thing, idea, concept, person, etc. Now, let us talk about pluralizing nouns. Plural nouns can be formed in many ways. Here are some of the examples. Most nouns form the plural by adding s. For example, table, tables, chair, chairs, book, books, spoon, spoons, etc. Some plural nouns take es. For example, a singular noun that ends in s, x, z, ch, or sh will take es for the plural. For example, class, classes, bush, bushes, brush, brushes, etc. However, you will notice that the ch at the end of the word stomach sounds k. So, stomach will take only s and not es. For words that end in f or fe, you change the FOFE to V and then add ES. For example, knife, knives, wolf, wolves, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, wife, wives, etc. Although there are exceptions to this rule. For instance, in the word chief, the F doesn't change. We only add S to it to make the plural. In a singular noun ending in Y, if the Y is preceded by a consonant, change the Y to I and add ES. For example, city, cities, family, families, lorry, lorries. You will notice that in those words, the letters preceding the Y are all consonants. Now, take note. If there is a vowel sound before the Y, the word will only take an S. For example, day, days, key, keys. In those words, you will notice that the letters you have before the Y are vowel sounds. So, the words only take S and not IES. Okay, children, let us come to irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural nouns do not take S or ES. These ones are formed differently. Here are some of the common examples of irregular plural nouns. Man, men, child, children, woman, women, foot, feet, person, people, etc. Some nouns are also irregular because they do not change form. Both singular and plural are the same. For example, words like sheep, cattle, furniture, information, etc. do not change form. Now, children, Let us do a recap. Most plural nouns are formed by adding s. Some are formed by adding es. Some are formed by changing f or fe at the end of a word to v and adding es. Some are formed by changing y at the end of a word to I and adding es. Some are formed differently, and some do not change form. I believe that you have been able to learn one or two things in this lesson. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for free. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.